Hello students, this is Ms Lipi and you're welcome to the online video teaching session of Academic World School, Bemitara. Today we will going to learn about cell referencing. Now before coming to cell referencing, we need to find out what is a cell. A cell. A cell is basically the smallest unit of a worksheet. This is a worksheet and these boxes are known as cells. So, and you will see if I will select a particular cell, for example this one, you will see over here in name box it is showing B4. That means while moving my cursor, just pay attention. In this name box you will find that each cell have their unique cell address, and wherever I am clicking on it, that cell gets highlighted, means this row number 4 and column B is automatically getting highlighted, means the cell address is B4. And cell is also, you may say, an intersection between a row and a column. Intersection means the point where this column and row meets. Now, let's take a very small example of two numbers. Let's assume it's 5 and 2. And we need to add this. So obviously what we will going to do, we will going to add these two numbers 5 plus 2, right? And we will be expecting the answer 7. Oh my god, but it is not showing any answer. Why? What is the reason? Because there is one more rule in Excel of writing formulas and function, that is you have to give equal to sign in front. Means you need to start your functions or formulas with the equal to sign. Unless you will give this equal to sign, you will not get the answer. Look, 7. Now let's do the same thing with a different method. Okay, the same number we are taking, and over here in place, look over here what we did, we have taken the cell value, this 5 and 2, the cell value we have taken, but now we were going to take the cell address. Means cell address of 5 is what? C7. Okay, write C7. As soon as you will write C7 here, look, it has taken the value 5. Now we need to add which one? This one, D7. Enter. The same answer. It's 7, 7. But the question might be coming to your mind, that is why to give the cell address when we are just taking the value and we are getting the result? What is the need of taking the cell address in place of cell value? You will get the answer after the explanation of relative referencing. Hold on for a while. You will get the answer definitely. Now, there are three types of cell referencing. One is relative referencing, second is absolute referencing, and the third is mixed referencing. So let's start with relative referencing. Now in relative referencing, what happens? Look, over here the cell address automatically change, it is written, but let's see. Now here also we were going to add these two numbers. So let's take the previous examples method, that is equal to 10. We are taking the cell value right now, plus 100. Okay, the answer is 110, we all know. Now referencing means what? Over here what I have said, it is how the cell behaves when we copy the formula copy the formula from one cell to another. Copy the formula from one cell to another. Remember this. Copy the formula from one cell to another cell. Means I will simply click and drag. You will see the result. Oh, but it is showing the wrong result. We all know that is 300 plus 30, it will be 330 and it will be 550 here. But it is coming 110. Now, this was the first method that we have taken. Now let's take in the second method where we will be working with the cell address. Okay, that is equal to cell address of 10, that is yes, B3 plus cell address of 100, previously it was 10, sorry, and now it is 100, C3, very good, enter. The answer is 110. Now this 110, what will happen if we will copy the formula? Actually clicking and dragging means ultimate we are doing copying only. So copying the formula from one cell to another cell, look the magic, the result has come up. You have get the right result. Now, I think the question that I asked you here, that is what is the difference between taking the value and taking the cell address? Taking the cell address and the other one is taking the value. Now I think it is clear to you why there is a need of taking the cell address. Means if we are taking the cell address and if we are clicking and dragging, the cell address is automatically changing. Now let me show you the formulas. How you will going to show the formulas what you have written in every cell. For that, select the cell, go to Formula tab, click on Show Formulas. Okay. Now when you will click on Show Formulas, you will see the formulas are here and it is getting displayed in every cell. Now this B3, look, this B3 changes to B4, C3 to C4, 5, 6, 7. And if you will see the cell address, it has exactly taken the right value. So, relative referencing is what? Relative referencing is where the cell address is automatically changing while copying it from one cell to another cell. And that is why we need to do cell referencing. Just remember one thing, students, this one. Cell referencing. Cell referencing is how the cell behaves when we copy the formula from one cell to another. And over here, how it is behaving? It is changing automatically. I haven't written the formulas here, individual cells, every time, again and again. I have simply written in the first cell and I have simply clicked and dragged right in front of you all. And you people have seen that this 3 is gradually changing till B7. Now, this is actually relative referencing, and what is the need of doing the referencing? That is, if we will take the value, we need to do it again and again, and if we are taking the cell address, there is no need of writing the formula again and again. Now we have done with the relative. Now, absolute. In absolute referencing, what will happen? You need to give a $sign to fix the cell value. Okay. Let me make you people understand. What is absolute referencing? Here. Here also addition we will do. That is 100 is common in these cells. Means if you add 100 plus 1, it will be 101, then 102, then 103, then 104. This is the right answer that we will get after solving it. Let's see. Now 100 is common and we need to fix it. We need to fix it. Now how to fix any cell value? Over here we were not fixing anything. That is why this 3 to 4 to 5 they are changing automatically. But here we are going to fix it. How? Let's do it once again. Now equal to B3, that is 1, plus, now there is one trick of giving a dollar sign. That is, you need to give a dollar sign in front of the column name. B is a column, so in front of the column name you need to give a dollar sign, and again a dollar sign in front of the row name. This row. Look, it has taken 100, and simply click enter. 101. Now let's see. Will the answer come? Yes. Look. Sorry. This. B3. B3, I haven't fixed this B3 column, B3 row, third row, because it will be added to 1, then 2 to 3 to 4. But here we have fixed this column and this row. That is B1. We are fixing a particular cell. Cell, what I have said, the intersection of a column and a row. So over here 100 is the intersection of column B and column row 1. So over here I have given a dollar sign in front of the column name and a dollar sign in front of the row name. If you give a dollar sign in both the cases, in front of the both a column and row, then you will be successfully fix any particular cell value. Got it, students? So we have learned about relative. I hope you have understood. We have learned about absolute. Now we will going to learn about mixed referencing. Now what is mixed referencing? Mixed referencing is both relative and absolute referencing, and that too you will find these two in a single cell. Yes, in a single cell. How come both relative and absolute will work in a single cell? By the way, before starting mixed referencing, I want to say you students, this mixed referencing is a bit tricky. So pay your full attention now. Now over here, I will be making a multiplication table. And now everybody knows what is a multiplication table is. So 10 multiplied by 1, it will be 10, then 20, then 30. Good. Now 20 multiplied by 1 is 20. Multiplied by 2 is 40. Now you people will be thinking why ma'am is making us learn the multiplication table of 10, 20 and 30. Oh ma'am, we all knows. But the thing is that I am not here to make you people learn about the multiplication table of 10, 20 and 30. I need to show you the result. That means I need to make you understand about mixed referencing. So 30 multiplied by 3 will be 90. So this will be the answer. This will be the result that we will be getting. So how we will get this answer? It's a bit tricky. One more time I'm telling you students, pay attention now. Okay, over here. Equal to. Now this 10 is common here. Because 10 multiplied by 1 is 20, multiplied by 2 20, 3 by 30. So 10 is common in these three cells. So what we need to do is we need to fix 10. Okay, agree? We need to fix 10 then. So equal to, it will be B3 multiplied by dollar $C and dollar $2. Okay. Let me drag it because you can't able to see the formulas in a proper way then. Let me click on this show formulas. Okay, fine. What is the formula now? It's B3 multiplied by, sorry, let me adjust it. Okay, B3 multiplied by $C$2. So this $C$2 is this one, 10. So we have fixed it. So simply click and drag. Look. Okay. Let's hide the formulas now. Okay, yes. The result is in front. Now what will happen if we will drag it horizontally, means to its right hand side? Will the answer come? Oh my god. OMG. 200, 300, 3000. Now you people will be thinking, ma'am, you even don't know the multiplication table, right? But over here, students, we have given a wrong formula. And what is the wrong in that formula? Look, again I'm showing you the formulas. What is the wrong in this? $C$2, that is this one, 10. If you will see, this thing is common here also. And this same thing has been copied here also. Means this $C and $2 is not getting changed. Isn't it? It is not getting changed. But this 10 needs to be changed to 20 and then needs to be changed to 30. But it is not changing. It is fixed. $C$2, $C$2 and $C$2. So what to do? Any guess? We need to only remove the $sign from here. Okay, that we have given in front of the column name. Simply we need to remove it. Enter. Look. What will happen if we will copy this? Look, the C is changing to D and this D is gradually changing to E. Why this thing is happening? Because I haven't given a $sign in front of the column name. So the C is getting changing to D and then D again is changing to E. That means 10 to 20 to 30. Okay, we have solved this problem. But what about this B3, B4 and B5? Because this B, that is 1 to 3, is changing to C, means this column is the answer that we will get. It's wrong. So we need to fix this also. So we need to fix this B, that means column B. Because if we will fix this column B, it will not change to C or D. Now simply copy the formula. Simply copy and drag it. Sure. Fine. Okay. We have fixed this column and we have fixed this row. Now let's see the result. Wow, great. Look, we have come up with the actual result. We have come up with the right result. Okay, students, I know it is a bit tough for you people to do it in one time, but I will tell you to practice it in your home again and again. Or if you don't have the laptop, you have paper and pen, just simply draw these columns and give the names as 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D. You may practice it in a paper also. So for this self-referencing, no need of having computer or laptop at your home. So students, today what we have learned about relative, where the cell address is automatically changing. We have learned about absolute, where we are giving this dollar sign to fix the cell value. And we have also learned about mixed, where in a single cell we can able to see both relative and absolute work. Okay, in mixed, what we need to do? We need to fix either row or a column. And in absolute, we are fixing both. So students, related to this topic, the assignment has been uploaded in the ERP already. So kindly download it and go do it as soon as possible. Thank you.